Hey, hold on a second. We are recording again because there was an aspect of this that I forgot to tell you about, and that is science's description of the birth of stars and how much more time we have left until our entire universe becomes a cold, dead, or inert Bose-Einstein condensate. Let me do this really fast, and that way hopefully I can add it to the end of the other recording. If these are all the stars, these are all the stars in our galaxy, in our universe, not just in our galaxy, but in this possible level of reality. And they all have a lifespan. And at the end of their lifespan, each one of these stars will become a black hole. Hold on a second. Here, this is spiraling in, this is a black hole. All of these become black holes. So this little spiral is my cosmic shorthand for they are spiraling out of this level of reality. So the idea is that at the end, our universe, according to science, has about a lifespan of, we are about halfway through our lifespan. I'm just looking for a color like for starlight. We've been experiencing this universe rather for about 13 billion years, and we're about middle-aged, and we have about 13 billion more years left to go. And science describes that at a certain point, all of the stars that will ever possibly be created will be created. Stars coalesce out of nebulae. Here's a nebula. Nebula is a bunch of gas and stuff, and it coalesces when there's enough into a star. So science calculates that at a certain point, all of the available gases and particles will coalesce into a finite number of stars. The stars all have a finite lifetime, and at the end of their finite lifetime, they'll all become black holes. That is what happens at the end of a star's lifetime. And when they all become black holes, this green color stuff that I am saying, this is all energy, light, and awareness. All of the energy, light, and awareness from this universe will go into the black holes and leave this level of reality. It doesn't just end on its journey. It goes endlessly into a different level of reality. So I'm trying to get the idea that these are like the drain at the bottom of the bathtub. These are all the bathtub drains draining out all the water. And science describes that at the end of this universe, and I didn't say cosmos, when I say universe, I mean just this one particular timeline, just this one version of reality. At the end of this particular universe, all of the light and heat and motion will leave into these black holes, and the only thing that will be left will be matter that has no motion, matter that has no awareness. No more energy will be in this realm. All energy will, like a water leaving a bathtub, when the drain is opened up, all of the energy leaves the bathtub. The bathtub is empty. At the end of this universe that science describes, we will have an empty shell here that has matter but has no energy, no movement. It is totally cold and frozen. This person says, so is a refining process. That is exactly what is happening. And the entropy, the entropic state that those demonic occupiers of the interstices are going into, it's at the end of the universe. That when we do this flying rainbow lasagna and we shift this shape into this shape, what we're doing is sending all of those consciousnesses through time to the end of the universe, because that way we don't have to wait 13 billion years to be happy, calm, and peaceful, because everybody is in their appropriate place where they're supposed to be. This is the way to make that all happen now, so that we can make our beautiful music in an unimpeded sense. Otherwise, we'd have to literally wait until the end of the universe before we get to make some music, because everyone else is making ugly music like this. So that is what I wanted to add to the recording. Okay, now I can stop the recording. Cool.